back, and we're back with this. Sorry, but when we sorry, yeah, when you put, when that's the first episode, I finished this field story. Sorry about that's all I did. Well, I think that's all that I can remember. Yeah, that's all I did. And I might create a new one. I'm not gonna put this one on drink because it's just a waste of money. Okay. Remember, don't forget to subscribe if you want to. And suggest games. Hey, sorry about last episode. It did well instead of dead well. I'm sorry about that. Didn't spell it wrong. Sorry, guys. I didn't realize until I posted it too. So, and since that game isn't really that good, we're not gonna play it anymore because I don't really like it either. You guys don't like it too. If you do like it, I might go back to it because it was after I made a video yesterday, because I made it and posted it yesterday. Yeah. And yesterday was my last day of school, so if you're in school, yippee. I'm only in 5th grade. It's actually pretty boring. One of my several when I was selling and we have at least 30,000 minutes game. Let's see how much we have so far. Still 4,000 at least that. Sorry I didn't show you all the stuff. Like harvesting that food and this food is the starting things. This field was already like this. All of it was unplanted like this before. You're supposed to I'll create a new world and show you the first thing before. And once we once we get to that seeding part, we'll delete that one and go back to this one. I might do that next episode at the beginning, maybe. Who knows? And we got the haircut today. I have no idea why I just put that. I just put that there. Dang it. Turn it back on. Voices, that's my environment. My dad and my little brother. You remember who he is, Adrian, my little brother, my little brother. Y'all probably know. Very good brother. That way this is before as possible. Trying to get straight as possible on the first one. I don't have that line up yet. I'm doing the left. Sorry if this video is short. If it is, I'm sorry. I might do some other games. I have a lot of games. I might do another video. I might do 2 videos today. One of a different game too. I'll do 2 videos a day of 2 different games a day. I won't do the same 2 games every day. I'll probably switch between them maybe. And yeah, I'll do probably 8 minutes on one and 8 minutes on the other, maybe. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, it's already 5 minutes on this show. That's my phone. Oh, yeah, shut that. Wee, 2G. Boop. Beep. Put this like this so we can keep checking to see if it's going up. Why does it always look like it's playing insane? Sorry if I don't talk that much. Not really a big kind of video, so I don't know what to say. This will probably all I do today. I'll play it. Once I get done with this, I won't be able to do anything. I'll just drive around and do all that until it's grown. And once it's grown, I'll make another video on this. So there might be another video on 2 days. Well, I didn't. Earlier when I said 2 games in video, I meant 2 different games in 2 different videos. Not 2 games in video, 2 games and 1 game, 2 videos, 1 game per video. It's some money. Let's get some money. My first time spending money. Well, I haven't spent any money since I started and you'll probably know that because you start with 25,000. That's full gas. It's gonna cost a lot. Oh. Wow. I think that cost much at all. 22,000. That's not much. Go across the grass, cut across the grass. Cut across the grass. Whee! After this, I'm gonna quit the video and maybe go ahead and make the other one while this is uploading. If I'm doing this on my tablet, I'm sorry if it's hot. It doesn't have. If it's not that good, I'm sorry. Especially with volume and stuff. So if you hear all scratches, because this was any sound around it. So sorry. Why do I keep trying to make it serious? Is that bullcrap? No, don't say that. Not cuss. Don't say BB. I say bullcrap. About 8%. You may spend a lot on seeds, but they don't last very long. No problem. Let me show you something real quick. Okay. You see this food right here? This little small food right here. I was gonna buy it, but instead I'm gonna buy this one. It's like 150,000. How's that look? Nice stuff. Because I went to the but then I had to buy a mower. How much your mowers cost? Yeah, we might do some more next episode. Maybe I should go ahead and buy this? Nah. I'll buy it next video because I might sell all of this after I get done. Okay? maybe, I'll probably make a next video in a few days, guys. So, yeah, this is part 2. Let's start with signals again, guys. Yes. Okay, let's just start again. I won't start picking until both fields are done, so I won't make another field until both fields are done and I've sold all the crops that I've got. But to start with, until I sell all these. Okay, so we're done. See you in the next video. Hey guys, see you next video.